Street rod time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1941 Ford Tudor sedan, street rod. As you can see, bright red paint, flame red or torch red if you will. This is an all steel car riding on aluminum wheels. Underneath the hood, 350 small block Chev powered, that is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor does kick on. Air was blowing cool, comes out from underneath the dash. Did try that a little before we did the video here. Now of course 41. Body style changed quite a bit over the 40. That marker light above the headlight, and it was quite a bit bigger car than the 40 also. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the bumper, bright work up here. Cool looking grill, front end on these. Kind of that menacing look going down the road, just that old school Ford look. Paint on this car, very showable. It's a little older build. Previous owner of this car has owned it for over 15 years. But the paint still shows well. And you'll be able to check out, I bet there's 80, 90, 100 pictures of this vehicle online where you can check out the still pictures. Shifter on the column, tilt steering wheel. Cloth bucket seats, a little aftermarket stereo added. I'll show you what some of the controls are over there on the other side. There's an electric fan. Switch underneath the dash as well as electric fuel pump. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear Ford bumper. Bright work on that is nice. There'll also be pictures of the trunk. So you have some cargo space for going into your shows that you may attend, or bringing some refreshments in a cooler if you go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, or car shows. Again, still pictures. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Trans motor, should say the trans and the motor, were rebuilt within the last 4 years. And again, previous owner of this car had it for 15 plus years. You can see how straight it is up and down the driver's and passenger side. I mean, there's decent luster to this paint, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, a little older build, so it will have a few imperfections here and there, but overall, you can see nice reflection coming off that showroom behind me.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
Paint shows well. Again, good for any of your local shows, cruise-ins. This one will turn some heads. All right, let's check out the interior. As you can see, aftermarket temperature gauge right there. Now, a couple switches down here to the left. That's where your fuel pump is, electric fuel pump, and also your electric fan. Headlight switch will pull out, of course, tilt, cruise, blinker, all on the column. I'm not positive if the cruise works. Just want to announce that since I mentioned cruise, but it is a cruise switch, or they used a column that would have had cruise in the vehicle. Did check out the gauges, and fuel gauge did appear to work fine, as did the amp gauge. And then again, the temperature gauge down to the left. And you can see that the cloth in the seats, free of rips, tears. The back seat for grandkids, friends, anybody that wants to attend a show or just go out for a cruise with you. Headliner, nice shape. Visors in the car. Aftermarket stereo, Sony, that does work. Let's go ahead and start this up. It's a very smooth running car. It starts easily. It's just boom. She starts right up. Again, fuel gauge going up to about half is where it'll end up. Quarter to a half. There it goes. You can see the amp gauge there is also working. Stereo system, AM, FM, CD player. Check out the rest of the dash, painted to match the car. Changed the dash some too in the 41s compared to the 40s. You can hear nice sounding 350 in this. Interior lights work well. Alright, check out the sound of that. Nice little rumble coming out of that small block. Now this one does have the hood release in, kind of down in that area where I showed you the temp gauge. So I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood popped open. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I have the hood popped here. I did put a prop rod up. The hood will stay open, but only probably about a quarter, a third of that far open. So you can still see the engine bay if you're at a show and want it open. But for this video and the purposes of you being able to see underneath that hood better, I got it propped up. Prop rod stays with me for future use, so it will not go with the car. But there is a car cover that'll go throw in the trunk that'll go with it. Fire extinguisher, a couple miscellaneous things will be in the trunk. All right, so you can see it AC, again, power steering, power brakes, got an electric pusher fan up here. Headers, HEI ignition, Summit intake manifold. And as you can tell, very smooth running small block. And again, engine and training were gone through in the last 4 years. Looking for a 41 Tudor sedan, street rod? Here you go. Nice bright red one. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.